This is how I changed my GPU on my computer. The first thing you want to do is take the case off so you can get access to it. I got an old GPU, a Radeon 480 that I bought in 2017, and I'm just changing it now. So there's some screws in the back that's holding it in. Got to take that out. That wire right there is the power cord. You just got to press on the clip and it comes right off. There's another clip in the back, and that's about it. At this point I realized there's another piece I forgot to take out, so I'm doing that now. And as you can see, it comes right out. And this is the new one that I got, is a Radeon 6600. Nothing crazy. I don't do much with my computer, so I don't need anything that strong, but this is just gonna hold me down for now. I'm gonna actually upgrade it again later on. There's a little cover you just gotta take off. And then the same way you take it out is the same way you put it back in. You just snap it back in and that's it. You put the power cord back and that's it. There you go. Now you just put all the screws back in, tighten it up. As you can see, I just turned on the computer and that's it. There we go.